Good morning, girls, and welcome back. In this video, we shall be learning about a new subtopic in the chapter 3-dimensional objects, that is nets. Now, last year we saw that cutting some edges of a box and laying it out flat gives us the net from which it was made. The two-dimensional shape from which a three-dimensional object can be made by folding is called the net of that object. Nets can be defined as a pattern made when the surface of a three-dimensional figure is laid out flat, showing each face of the figure. A net is folded to make a three-dimensional figure. In this chapter, we shall learn how to draw the nets and find out the shape of the boxes they form of three objects, that is, a cube, a cuboid, and a pentomino. An object, all the surfaces of which are of square shape, is called a cube. An object, all the surfaces of which are rectangular in shape, is called a cuboid. An open box formed by placing together 5 squares of the same size with their sides joined is called a pentomino. To make a three-dimensional object shaped like a cube, you need to draw 6 square shapes in the given format. After folding the same along the lines shown in it, we get the desired object, that is cube. To make a three-dimensional object shaped like a cuboid, you need to draw 6 rectangular faces in the given form. Then fold it along the lines shown in it to get the desired object, that is cuboid. To make a three-dimensional object shaped like a 5 square net or a pentomino, you need to draw 5 square faces in the given form, then fold it along the lines shown in it to get the desired 5 square net or a pentomino. Kindly note, by folding along the edges of such a 5 square net, an open box is formed. They have also provided you with some 5 square nets in the textbook. Drawing these nets on a card sheet, you are expected to make open boxes from these nets. Try doing it by yourself. They have also given a riddle where a net of a cube-shaped dice is given. If a dice is made of this net, which of the following shapes will it definitely not resemble? Which means one of the given pictures of the dice, which is presumably made using the net provided, is wrong. Your job is to find out which one of the given 5 dice formations is the wrong one. Now there is a trick using which you will find it easier to identify the wrong dice formation. The trick is simple. When you fold the cardboard or paper or whatever you draw the given net formation on, along the lines shown on it neatly, you should get point 3 and 4 opposite to each other. Now you have to observe the given 5 dice formations carefully and see which of these dices cannot have 3 and 4 opposite to each other. That one dice is the wrong one. So this is your homework for today. I hope the trick given helps you to get to the answer quickly. With this, we come to an end of today's discussion and this chapter. Hope this video was informative. Thank you for being attentive. Please keep practicing. God bless you all.